Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob.
Hey everybody, today we're going to clean up the little adjustable wrench that I picked up with an S-curve that was given to me by one of the guys I worked with. Thank you, Mark. So sit back, relax, and check out how I restore this little wrench. Got this offset vintage smaller adjustable wrench. I've already put it in some Evaporust. Just kind of try to find some markings. I kind of got a weird square. I'll have to investigate what that one means. So this is our little S wrench. I was thinking about taking it apart, but it works pretty good, and I don't see a need for that. But we're going to take the well, maybe it does, but we're going to take the angle grinder and let's clean up some of these surfaces and get it smooth again. We'll knock out some of these casting marks. Let's go right to the black, which is 400 grit. So now, a little WD and some 1500 grit. So I've already wiped this down with some carburetor brake cleaner to get any of the undesirable stuff off. And I'm going to give it a quick scrubbing with the some steel wool. Get all the pieces and parts. And we're going to take our super glue and our cotton swab. I did preheat this the wrench up. Magdad has found a little heat, helps it go a little further. I had it setting up out in the sun getting hot, but then lo and behold, I wiped it down with carb cleaner and the propellants cooled it right off. I would have loved to been able to get inside there and disassemble this, but I didn't. Sometimes you just can't, you don't want to go too far. So give this kind of a second to rest. And then I'll give it a good rinsing in some water. So I'm going back over it with steel wool. Okay, little carb cleaner. Get any of those impurities off. No impurities. All right, and then we're going to repeat. Okay, so this is where we're at now. Yeah, it gives it that old vintage, but the shiny part we're going to, that's right, we're going to flitz it. So that's where we are. This is the final restoration, or this is the restoration. Has that antique look to it, but still some shiny parts. So I don't think I got film of me actually polishing with flits. I'm honestly not sure exactly how much of my video came out. So here we go. What a crazy day. Yeah, the temperature here is currently 100 degrees, 99, 100 degrees. So, unfortunately, I don't think some of the footage I recorded came through. So, when I go into editing, we will find out. But unfortunately, it was hot out and couldn't really get much footage. So until next time, stay safe and we will check you later.